This age is something like
What's up, babies? Welcome back to another vlog. Oh my goodness. Welcome guys to another vlog. Yes, it's going to be a very exciting one. Stay tuned while we get ready, and all that good stuff. What's up, babies? How are you all doing? You guys have been loving my vlogs lately and I really appreciate it. Today is my friend's birthday and we're gonna turn up. Okay? I don't know why is this lightning doing me like this, but yo, let me give you guys a hotel tour. Okay, because it's my friend's money. We are chopping the money. Dear birthday. Jamesy room. Mado. Oh. Whoa.
We don't call celebrate, we call celebrate our belly because as people are they fast.
But I feel like this age is something I need to share with few friends, and these are the people that are here, and I really thank you so much. And I don't know what to say, but thank you so much, guys, and let's have a lovely evening. Thank you.
Celebrate him. So toast to like good life, money. That's like love, every good thing of life, like happiness, success, everything, and babies. So yeah, toast to all the good things that everybody up.
can just call him and he can give me some advice. And recently, FIFA 21 came out. And recently, I've been looking for a challenge.
I would say James. When I first met him, actually I was one that he aside from his girlfriend. He came to Cebu and he was trying to be my friend.
So far, it's still the same James that I first knew, and he's still the humble one and the funny guy that I've always been ever since. So that's basically it. You know, I hope all your dreams would come true, and I hope more money to you.
Sometimes it calls me a penny. You get that. Shout out to Sadiq. So, I think I've known James since 2017. Actually, and trust me, working with somebody since 2017 is really a long time because we spent probably 10 to 12 hours together also. So
Fine girl, I'm ending my vlog. Why are you not in the background? Good morning, guys. So this is the morning after, and just tell me one reason why I did not vlog. One reason why I didn't vlog. Guys, I love to party a lot, and when it comes to partying, I lose my home training. Okay, I lose my manners. The party started, I was still doing a bit of vlogs. All of a sudden, I don't even know where I dropped my tripod, my phone, all the snaps I did. I don't even know when I took those videos, to be honest, until I got home last night. And then I was like, wow, I have videos. Guys, it was lit. The party was nobody's age mate. It was lit. We had so much fun. There's nothing much to say really, because if you were not there, you were not there, period. Okay, period. So that's it. I just wanted to end this vlog. I'm going to put all the snaps in this vlog because your girl obviously always forgets that she's vlogging. So yeah, I'm going to add all the snaps for you guys to see, and I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Please, if you have suggestions on videos you want me to film, please let me know in the comment section. I really want to create content for you guys. You people have been loving vlogs lately, and I've been vlogging. I feel like my last 4 videos have been vlogs, so I want to do a sit down video. So if you have a suggestion or what sit down video you want, please let me know. By the way, let me show you guys my view. Okay, Mado. So this is actually SM. This is like SM, guys. Can you see? Hey, God. We need to make this money so that we can be balling every single day. Okay? Okay? Mad money. I'll see you guys in my next video.